So to start out with the drive motors, they are going to take a synthetic 75 weight 140. So what you need to do is you need to have this bottom plug straight even. Take this plug out first, and then take this plug out to drain the rest. Once you get that out, let it all drain, put it back in, drive the machine forward so that this plug is up here directly on top. And then they say to fill it until you see it come out of the middle. However, Caterpillar's Lucas 75 140 is the exact amount you need. So I just put this plug back in, and I filled every bit of it in the top because that's what they recommend. So do that the same way on the second side. You will check your hydraulic fluid here, and then you will fill it here. Going into the back. So obviously you check your oil here. This is where you fill it. Your engine oil filter will be right here on the side behind the alternator. If you're gonna plan on changing the battery, I did, just because this was a 4-year-old battery. It's easier to go ahead and just take this battery disconnect cable out, just undo it and just tuck it up here. Undo your positive cable, and then when you pull the battery out, you'll be able to get the rest off. But to get the battery out, you'll have to undo this little plate right here, which mounts on the side and mounts on the bottom. And like I said, once the battery is out, it's super easy to get to the engine oil filter, and then the fuel filter is here. I just took it off and then unscrewed this part by hand and drained out every bit of it out, changed the filter. Have your coolant right here. I bought the Caterpillar coolant just because everything I put in here is Caterpillar. However, they did tell me at the Cat dealership that the oil it takes is pretty much just Rotella rebranded. Going into your hydraulic filter, it is going to be right here in the back. And it's going to be pretty tough to get off. I can't remember what size socket it was, but it was pretty tough to break. But once it broke, it was pretty easy. And you got your engine air filter here. Let's see. And then your other air filter is right here. It's just that little latch, and then that air filter will come out. And then going into the cab, the cabin air filter is actually behind the seat, and it'll be right here. That's pretty much how you service everything on here. For your oil plug, I will say it is down here. You will have to remove one of these plates. It is this plate right here, and it's directly straight up, so you might have to climb under to see exactly where it's at. And that pretty much sums up the 2,000 hour service on the 289 D3. This is a 2022 model.